when it's launched on Monday by both the president and the ODM leader Raila Odinga. But we have a copy, so let's take a look at some of the highlights from the report before you get a hold of it, if you will, on Monday. So on Parliament, here are some of the proposals in terms of changes from this particular report. Formation of the office for leader of opposition, 360 members of Parliament elected from 290 constituencies. 94 senators is what we will be electing, one woman and one man from each of the 47 counties. All right, let's now take a look at what this particular report says, 204-page report says on the judiciary and some of the proposals that they've made, that the Court of Appeal judgment to handle election petitions, there should be a finality on this, a 5-year term for Court of Appeal judges and a High Court president and of course High Court presidents rather, and the Court of Appeal president. The Judiciary Ombudsman will also now, if of course we make these changes, a member of the Judicial Service Commission. All right, so on IEBC, proposals that each political party should 4 members to the IEBC. We've seen the LSK today say speak out against this, so this will be a very interesting point to see. Kenya has had 6 elections under the multi-party bit of it, and we've seen a change in electoral officers and the structure of it 6 times. So perhaps they're seeking to cure this. Election case to be heard and determined within 30 days, and that's from 14 to 30 days. Proposal to number of days there, or the amount of time. So there are also proposals to form a youth commission in this particular, just to oversee issues to do with youth management and issues bedeviling young people as well, and other things under the Youth Commission. So on national security, proposals to merge the Kenya Police Service and the Administration Police Service, and to replace the National Police Service Commission with the Kenya Police Council that will be the umbrella body for all the servicemen in this country. That's the Kenya Police, the Administration Police, and all that. And then, of course, the Prime Minister, there's a proposal to have the Prime Minister as a member of the National Security Council. This is under national security. Let's take a look at other changes or proposals that have been made. So on the legislative proposals, and this will go to Parliament, establishment of a Health Service Commission, and we've seen the medical world or the health world really push for this, and it's proposals when they were invited to give proposals of change, the formation of a Health Service Commission, and the Public Finance Laws Amendment. All right, of course, we'll be giving you more details.